So Ulefone has finally announced the official release date of the Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra, and do not forget that it's actually a series. We have the Armor 28 Ultra and the Armor 28 Ultra thermal version. So one comes with a night vision camera, the other comes with a thermal imaging camera. Okay, so both devices will launch on the 17th of March, and it's going to be available on AliExpress, on Amazon, and of course on Ulefone's official store. Although we do not know its official price, but it's most likely going to cost $1,000, guys. The device is going to be very expensive because we all know it's equipped with flagship tier or flagship grade specs, some of which includes the Dimensity 9300 Plus, 16GB RAM, 1TB internal storage, an AMOLED dual display. It also has the Sony IMX989 sensors. Anyway, if I get the official price of the Armor 28 Ultra, I'll definitely let you guys know. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. What do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.